Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on The Vax.
Ang what do you call this, main concern sa Delta variant is that mas dasig siya mag-spread. Okay? Knowing that there is a possibility that it is present here in the Philippines, ang ginaiwasan natin is one, ma-overwhelm ang aton what do you call this, ang aton hospital system. The fact that it spreads faster, it means that yung mga nakita natin na mga spikes in cases, that could repeat at a much faster rate. So, in order to prepare for the arrival or maybe actually just to prevent the spread of the Delta variant, we should maintain what we have been doing previously. Magsuksok mask, social distancing, we maintain our hygiene. Like for example, ang ginaobra namon sa Amon Balay, for instance, kung halin kami sa Gwa, before kami magsulod, we try to disinfect as much as possible. Ang una na ginaobra namon pagsulod sa balay is take off our clothes, take a bath, gargle, and the like. So that as much as possible, ang maupod natin sa balay, ma-reduce man ang exposure nila na sa possible na virus na dala natin kung halin ta sa Gwa. So, I know the concern for the Delta variant is there. It is right to be concerned about it because it's faster in terms of its transmissibility, but the tools that we have in order to prevent its spread are still the same tools that we've been using over the past year during this pandemic. So public health safety protocols, disinfect your hands, wear masks at all times, what you call social distancing. Those are very important aspects para mapunggan naton ang pag-spread pag isang Delta variant.